Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Keller, aka FX Dinero, and just want to jump on really quick and just really give WB trading some some flowers, guys. There's nothing really more gratifying than I'd say add another strategy to your tool belt, especially a profitable one. Just to kind of start from the beginning. I've been trading for nearly a decade now, guys. Lots of losses, lots of ups, lots of downs, majority downs, as a matter of fact. um, and yeah, guys, I was just trading, trying to figure things out. After about 8 years, I'd say, I kind of finally found profitability that is. I'd say around maybe like year 6.5, 7. That was like my start breaking even year. Uh, and then from there, I was pretty good. That first profitable year felt amazing. After that, it's just been sky's the limit, so to speak, right? So that's kind of how I started. And obviously, as a professional trader, we're always looking for new edge, new strategies, new techniques, new skills to kind of add to what we're already doing. Even refine it a little bit more. So ran across WB trading, right? And I'm like, oh, this is super interesting. Kind of how you guys probably did, I'm sure. Or maybe if you haven't just yet, definitely want to check it out. But long story short, I'm seeing it. Everything looks great. Uh, super affordable. So I'm like, hey, you know what? Let me kind of see what's going on here. Um, yeah, after going through the course, which first of all, I just want to touch on these topics. The course was very thorough, right? Sometimes I know I've been through tons of courses, guys, but I'm sure you have as well. And most of the courses are like 1 million hours. You got to devote the rest of your life to figure this part out, and it's a lot of fluff. Um, they don't really go too in depth with everything. Courses can be a nightmare, right? Especially if you pick the wrong one. You're devoting way too much time to it, and you're not really getting what you intended on getting out of it. But that wasn't the case here. Um, it was super bite-sized videos, uh, spoon spoon feed style, so to speak. I think the longest video maybe was 18 minutes. So going through it step by step, each step was super thorough. He's able to keep track of everything, kind of sets the tone, introduces trading if you're a newbie, then gets into a little bit more advanced stuff. And then finally, psychology, discipline, patience touches on those things as well. Um, and then you get into the strategy, right? And the strategy, which is the part that everyone's kind of waiting to get to when you do join. Which another thing I like about it is they kind of slow release it, so you're not overwhelmed. But once you get to the strategy part, and you notice how simple it is, how simple yet effective it is, I'm like, oh, this is the meat and potatoes of what I was trying to see if I can use to kind of add this to my tool belt, right? So I'm going through it all, and I'm like, man, this is super interesting. I never even thought to do this or notice there was edge here with this, this part of it. So, um, yeah, long story short, I start implementing it, start doing some back testing, of course. And it was awesome, guys. I'm like, okay, this is what I was looking for. Um, so from there, I was super excited. And then just to add another another strategy to my tool belt, right? And I always thought, I'm like, man, I was looking for something like this for at least a cool 8 months now, just to kind of stay ahead of everything. Um, so that's the main thing, guys. The strategy is super effective. It's super to the point. Again, the course, it's bite-sized videos. It goes over the important things that most traders wouldn't really recognize, like discipline, patience, uh, losing streaks. You know what I mean? All the pertinent information that you really want to see in a course, it gives it to you. It's no fluff. It's direct. Absolutely amazing. I must say. So that's like the main thing you think you're paying for, right? And then point number two, which would be a second high value service, I would say, would be the EA, right? So a lot of people can't get up whether you're, in Eastern time or Central in the United States or whatever that case may be. Maybe you can't get up to trade London session, right? And you want some EA to execute this for you, right? That's the second main thing that you get with this, right? Is the WB trading bot. So this bot is going to execute the trades exactly as though you would had you been able to be in front of your screens. All right. And that comes with the service, which is crazy in itself. Um, as I'm sure you guys probably seen EAs, bots like this. I mean, they can cost thousands for a one-time payment or several $100 for a month for not even an EA that works, and is profitable long term, right? So in addition to the course and getting the strategy and touching on all those things I just touched on, you're also getting the EA, a trading bot that's going to execute all these trades for you, right? So super, super cool. That's a super added benefit, ice on the cake. Those two things alone to rip your face off deal, right? I mean, absolute no-brainer. You kind of can't not go with it. Um, but in addition to that, if that wasn't enough, right, there's also the Telegram channel, right? So they're alerts. So just how like there's these signal services that again charge you hundreds of bucks a month just to send you these alerts. Uh, the service comes with alerts too, right? So it's going to give you the entry, it's going to give you the exit, it's going to give you the stop loss, take profit, how to manage it, all the pertinent information that you would actually need to be able to enter, manage, and exit a trade. It even gives you screenshots, like the actual chart, what it looks like, prices, the entire thing, guys. You could be at work or out doing something to get these alerts and quickly execute your trade on your phone, right? So that's something I really couldn't even believe it. I was at a loss for words when I noticed that you get all of these things. Um, Right. So those three things alone are just awesome, guys, especially, for the price. Um, and then, right, wait, there's more. The journal, the trading journal. Those professional traders who do know trading is the cornerstone of becoming profitable, is what I always like to say. You need to be able to, track your progress, refine your trading strategy, figure out what works for you, whether it's mental, emotional, mistakes you made, things you did good, things you did bad, things you need to improve on. All of these things come from journaling, right? Any super profitable trader, they always have a pristine process for journaling their trades, understanding how they feel, tracking it, and again, just overall refining their trading strategy. All right, their playbooks, just managing emotions, the entire thing, right? So journaling, super, super, super important. And this also comes with a trading journal, right? So unbelievable, guys. I mean, there's trading journals out there. I won't say the names, but for that one service, you're paying more than what you get with all of the things that I just mentioned, right? Just unbelievable, right? In which the trading journal is so awesome that the WB Trading actually tracks all of their trades, all of their progress, all the way since 2000, I want to say 18, right? So you can see this actual strategy that I'm mentioning, the trade alerts, this EA. You can see all of this tracked and verifiable all the way back to 2018 with this exact same trading chart. All right. Um, it's ridiculous. It really is. It's absolutely awesome. So I love it, love it, love it for that. Um, and then I'll say the last thing. So those four things, the last thing will come, which I thought was amazing, is just the customer support, guys. It's 24/7 customer support. There's everyone's in a Discord. There's hundreds of members there, all active, engaged, answering questions, asking questions, just like-minded individuals all around who just, want to take trading seriously. They're there every day. If anything, news going on or interviews, just surrounding yourself, guys, with a group of people, like yourself, who just want to be profitable and get develop the skill set. But even the everyone who works there, if you got a quick question, like for the admin, someone's always there to reach out to really help, answer your question within moments. And that's actually the best way to do it, through the Discord if you can't send in an email or anything. Get your questions answered right away. And it's just awesome. It's really I'd say, I know they all sound great, but that's kind of one of the things that I'd say really separates them from a lot of other communities and services is the customer service, hands down. This isn't something that you reach out to someone, you can't, you don't get a response for hours or days, maybe even a week. I mean, right there, like, 5, maybe 10 minutes top, someone's to answer your question, no matter what time it is, was the craziest part. Um, so yeah, I just want to tip my hat, give them all praise, all the flowers, and just say, hey, what they have here, guys, is super awesome. Again, one service alone, those 5 services, right? Again, just a quick recap. You got the actual strategy that breaks down everything. You have the EA that's going to execute the trades for you. You have the Telegram trading alerts, right, that you can follow and learn from. You have the trading journal, right, so you can refine your trading strategy. And again, also that customer source. So I'd say the top 5, each one of those services, guys, if you were to pay on a monthly basis, is worth it, let alone 5. All right. So absolutely want to again tip my hat off to them. Carl, Tom, all the traders there doing awesome job, guys. Keep it up. And yeah, I won't make this too long because I can talk all day about this. But if you're contemplating on it, if you're struggling or developing trader and, you're looking for a home just to become profitable, looking for, maybe you're a struggling trader looking for a profitable strategy, or maybe you're like me, already a profitable trader, but looking for more setups, more tools in your playbook, just to kind of find some new edge. WB trading education is the way to go, guys. Check out the YouTube, check out the Instagram, live trading. There's a bunch of things that they offered. And this isn't a hype guru fugu type of thing. There's no flashy Lambos and make $1 million tomorrow type of deal or anything like that we're kind of, sold in this space to get you to buy something. You're not being overcharged, got to pay an arm, a leg, and a kidney just for the price of admission. Um, for the most part, for, half the month, cup of coffee, you could easily do this, guys, and take your trading to the next level. All right. So once again, kudos to everybody at WB Trading, guys. To give you a round of applause. Great job there. All right. And I'll let you go. Yeah, guys, just lastly, again, just definitely want to check out those services. And yeah, you won't be disappointed. And it's and if I didn't mention, one of the craziest things about it is if for some reason you're not profitable after all of this, there's literally no risk, because after that, right? Let's say for some reason, if you're not profitable, you want to cancel, which I'm sure you wouldn't want to. And they know this. This is why they have this amazing deal. They'll refund you, right? And give you all your money back and let you stay in the community, okay? And teach you and help you grow and learn until you're profitable, right? No one's in the industry is doing that, all right? So this is a no-brainer, hands down. If you guys are new, struggling, trying to develop, add to your arsenal, W trading is the way to go. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care.